If you have a bit of extra time, making granola bars at home is a great, cost-effective way to ensure high-quality ingredients and avoid those sneaky added sugars. These can make a great breakfast or a snack and require no oven. Let me show you how to make them. As always, it's important to wash your hands before, during, or after preparing any food. Line a 9-inch square baker with parchment paper, cut to fit neatly against the base and up the sides. The parchment paper will make it easy for you to slice the bars later. I like to use a little tape to keep the edges down. Add 1 3/4 cup rolled oats to a blender to break them up. Place the oats in a large mixing bowl and add a teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Adding herbs and spices to meals is a great option when trying to limit sodium or sugar. It also allows you to customize dishes based on your preferences. Stir to combine and then set this bowl aside. Now make sure your mix-ins are chopped. I chose pecans, walnuts, ground flax, sunflower seeds, and unsweetened coconut flakes. The mix-in should be smaller than your pinky nail. Pour them into the bowl of oats and give everything a quick stir. Next, measure out your nut butter. Top with a 1/2 cup honey and the vanilla extract. I actually ran out of honey, so I made a simple brown sugar syrup, which still worked well, and stir until well blended. If you need, you can gently warm the mixture in the microwave. Pour the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients and use a spoon to mix them together until the two are evenly combined and no dry oats remain. This will take a minute and can be a bit of a workout, but the mixture should be hard to mix. If it's not, add some more oats. Transfer the mixture to the prepared baker and arrange the mixture fairly evenly, making sure all of the edges are pressed down. Then use the bottom of a flat, round surface, like a drinking glass or the nut butter jar, to pack the mixture down as firmly and evenly as possible. I also added in some chopped dark chocolate. Cover with a lid, foil, or plastic and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or preferably overnight. When you're ready to slice, take everything out by lifting the parchment. Use a sharp knife to slice the bars into even columns and rows, depending on how many you want. I made about 8. They'll stay intact for several days at room temperature, a couple weeks in the fridge, or several months in a freezer-safe bag in the freezer. Let us know if you tried this recipe in the comments, and give this video a like if you'd like to see more diet-friendly recipes.